Hello, people. Thank you so much and welcome back. And in today's session, we are going to talk about the process mapping. Mainly in business, when you are a Six Sigma professional, you are not really a professional that who will do the process mapping at the commercial scale or maybe some kind of a specific specialized process mapping. So as a Six Sigma professional, mainly we deal with the three type of process map. First is the high level process map, which we represent this with the SIPOC as well, or the process flow. Second is called as a deployment process map. When you are taking a very, very high level decision, main decision you are taking. And the third one is the detailed process map. Sometimes this is also represented by the swim lane as well, where you are representing the process map at a detailed or the keystroke level, or sometimes we call as an L4 or L5. So when you represent to the top management, generally this is called as a management view. High level process map is also called as a management view. This is the deployment view when you are deploying a process, and the detailed process map is the transaction view we call. So SIPOC, I explained you in my last session. Hope you have watched that video. So today I will be telling you how the deployment view or the simulon view look like. So as you know, when you use the process mapping, we use some standard symbol. So these standard symbols are as per BPMN. What is the BPMN? It's a stand for business, process, management, and notation. So any process mapping whatsoever you are doing, that process mapping should be represented by the standard symbol. So these are the standard symbols. You can find out these in your Excel. Like if I go to the insert, go to the shape, and you will see some flowchart symbols are given here. If you, let's say, bring the cursor on the first, it says process. Second one, it's talk about alternate process. Third one is for the decision. Fourth one is for the data. Fifth one is for the predefined process, like this. So these are the standard symbols only we use. These symbols are very much available in MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Word, in MS Visio, or online tool like the Lucid Chart and all. It is available. So we'll be using those. So what is the high level process map? High level process maps, when you are starting and ending the process, basically we are not taking any decision. Suppose if the top management, you want to explain them that how my process goes. Let's say you are talking about a pizza making process. Entire process, pizza making to delivery or order to delivery, O to T. So how the process from order to delivery will happen? First, you as a person, suppose you are the individual, I'm just writing this step. You will place a order or decide to eat pizza. This is the first step. Then you place order. Then order is confirmed. Then order prepared. Then packing. And then delivery. And finally, cash realization or the cash collection. In case it's a online, it's a cash on delivery. So these are the steps if you want to present to someone in a process map, then how we'll be presenting. So before that, let's understand what is the meaning of process. So process, the definition of simple process is it's a set of activities arranged in a proper sequential order. The set of activities which is arranged in a proper sequential order is called as a process. What is the process map? Process map is the visual or graphical depiction of process steps is your process map. The same process step, which is a set of activities arranged in a proper sequential order, is a process. And this set of activities, if you are doing the graphical depiction of that, this process step, then it's a process map. So example, if I want to do this, we'll be using some symbols here, and you will pick up all of these symbols. Suppose you wanted to pick up any start of the process. Generally, we always start with the oval shape, which is called as a terminator as well. So if you'll bring your symbol at this particular shape, it will show you as a terminator. So terminator always start and end of the process. Generally, we do with this. In case you really do not know which symbol to use, so just mention this is the start and this is the end and just leave it. Using the simple, straightforward, a rectangular shape for that. So like, which is the rectangular shape? This is the process step. First one, this says process, you can start with this. So what is my step number? Step number 1, me as an individual, I just decided to eat the pizza. So this is always we should be doing as an 1.0, which means this is the step number 1. Let's put this in a size which fits to my box. And now here I am deciding to eat pizza. Right? Putting this into the center. Step number 1. Step number 2 will be place the order. So placing the order, this is a process step now, and I will be using this process symbol. Please remember, when I'm explaining you the high level process map, we don't really take any decision. Okay. So number 2, what is there? Number 2 is place order. And these two process comes after other, one come after other. So this should be connected by the directional arrow like this. So this will tell me step number 1 of your process is this, and then giving the direction to the step number 2. Now you will be having the step number 3. And what is the step number 3 here? Order confirmed. And this order will be confirmed by your relevant pizza store, whichever is there. This is the step number 3. And this again connected by the directional arrow. And now I'll go to the step number 4. What is that? Order prepared. And order will be prepared by whom? Your kitchen is going to prepare the order. So let me say, once the order is confirmed, they are going to prepare the order. I will tell you in the deployment of the detailed process map that when to take what kind of decision. But when we are looking for the high level process map or management view, we generally don't represent any decision. So order prepared. The next thing after order preparation is done, it's the packing, delivery, and cash collection. So this will be the packing. Let's say this is your delivery. And the cash collection, because it's a last step, so we'll be showing with a oval shape here. So this is your cash collection. So order preparation, number 5 step, packing. Number 6 step, delivery. And the last step, which is represented in the oval shape, is the number 7, cash collection and transaction is closed. Delivered or cash collection. And these all are connected by the directional arrow again. Like as this step will be connected from here, then you are going to have again from here to here, and you will be having again from here to here. This is the high level process map or the management view process map. Suppose the same thing you want to put into the deployment view. So in deployment view, we'll be taking some high level decision. So where and all I'm going to take the decision in this case, I'm just copying this as it is. and I will be explaining you how this will be represented in a deployment view. So we look here, and suppose you wanted to decide the pizza, you are placing the order is confirmed, and let's say order is prepared. Once the order is prepared and before you go for the packaging, you will see, is that pizza okay? You are going to take a decision, right? Before you pack. So this decision is represented by this decision symbol or the diamond symbol. And I'm putting up is here. What decision you are taking? You are taking a decision, simple. If I added this text box, is pizza okay? What pizza you are preparing? Pizza okay means it's good to deliver or good to pack or not. Now you have the two options. Option number one, that pizza is okay, and option number two, pizza is not okay. So I'm adding a text box here, which is the decision here, like this. And if I take this decision as in pizza is not okay, answer is pizza is not okay. So what you will do? Either this current pizza what you have, you will be discarding, right? And you will be placing the order back. So when you say pizza is not okay, so what you will do at this stage, maybe there are two options. You will scrap the pizza and you will send it back to the next order. Place the order again back to the kitchen, right? And in case this pizza is okay, it will go to the next step here for the packaging. So I will just go from here and this will move to the packing. So step number 1, 2, 3, 4. And after 4, you are taking the decision. So 4.1 is going to this, and 4.2, you are going to do the packing. And packing will be done. Let me just say this symbol only, and here. After packing, what is the next step? Next step will be the delivery and cash collection. So next step, like as I'm just showing you here only on the one decision, but you can take decision at every process wherever you have. So this kind of process map is called as a deployment process map. So now this is number 4, this is number 4.1, 4.2, number 5, number 6, and number 7. And all of these process steps will be connected by the directional arrow as always. Because direction arrow will tell me that which step is done first and which step is done after that. Like this is your deployment process map. And here it was no, so this thing will come as an yes here. All right, so this is about the deployment process map. Now we wanted to learn the swim lane process map. So during the swim lane process map, basically it's why it's called as a swim lane, because each of the people whomsoever is working in the process, they are responsible for their own actions. What are their own actions? Let's me just do row height to, let's say, 45 here. And here we see this process. So there are who are the people involved in this. So when you are looking for a process map, the people who are involved in this is first is the customer. Then you have the, let's say, customer service. Then you will have the kitchen. Then you have the delivery. These are the four main team involved in your pizza delivery or pizza preparation, right? Now I want to see you being as a customer, what is the something you will do? So first step which you have put here, you will decide to eat. So this part will come as a part of the customer process when you decide to eat pizza. Step number 2, you decide to eat and you will check and you will place the order. And where you are going to place the order? Your order will be placed through the customer service. So step number 1 is represented like this. From here, this will be shown like with this symbol, customer is decided to eat and order is placed through the customer service. Step number 3, this will go to the order confirmed, and who will be confirming the order? Again, this order will be confirmed by the customer service only. This will be connected here. So what you will see, the benefit of the swim lane process map, you will be able to see very clearly that who is responsible for what. So like as here, decide to eat is the customer service, and customer service will place the order and they will confirm the order. Now the third step after this will be the order prepared. And who is going to prepare the order? Kitchen will confirm that order is prepared here. So this will be connected by again directional arrow like this. So this order is prepared. After the order preparation, what is the next step? Next step will be, let's say pizza is okay and not okay. You will take the decision. And this decision will be taken by kitchen only to send them either the pizza is okay or not okay. Because kitchen will send it to the packing, or sometime this decision will be taken by the packing as well, that pizza is really okay or not okay to supply to the customer. So when you take a decision here in the option number 1, option number 1 is yes, pizza is okay. So what? You will do the packing of this. Like as if pizza is okay, you will do the packing, and packing will be done. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add here is the packing function. So let's say this is the packing function before it's come to the delivery. And now this, if pizza is okay and your answer is yes, so then it will be connected by the directional arrow. Yes, pizza is okay and you are doing the packing. But in case pizza is not okay, again, as I was telling, you will scrap the pizza and send for the next order. So next order again, you will send back to order. Let's say you are going to place the order back. Okay, this pizza is not okay, and you have to please confirm it back like this here. This is what we'll be doing. Once the packing is done, after that packing, what is the last? Last is the delivery and the cash collection. So now you will send it to the delivery once the packaging is done. And again, you are connecting this with the directional arrow. Yes, done. And now finally, delivery boy is the one who is doing the cash collection. So cash collection step I'm picking up from here, and here I put it. And let's connect with the directional arrow. Because this is the last step, so I need to represent this is an oval shape. That's how people the process map look like, and you can clearly see what customer is doing, what customer service is doing, what kitchen is doing, what packing is doing, what delivery is doing. All the activities are very, very clearly defined here. So that's all about the high level process map, deployment process map, and the swim lane process map. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in next session. Take care. Bye bye.